Hello guys, this is a project based on GSM controlling of the street light. Here this is the hardware. In this, this is a GSM module. This is the LCD. This is the IC which is used in this project. This IC is 8 mega 8L 8PO, and this one is the ULN 2003 relay driver. This is the diode circuit. This is the transformer. We are giving 220 volt power supply, and we are getting 12 volt power supply. This is the crystal oscillator. This is the push button which is interface with this LCD display. This is the GSM module. It has the operating frequency range of 900 MHz, and this one is the SIM holder. Here SIM is detected here, and this project works upon user when a user sends a message to this GSM module. It get the message, encode the message, and this message will work like a password. This message can be sent using a mobile phone. So the interfacing of this LCD is done in embedded C, and the coding of this GSM module is done in the hyper terminal software. Now, for the operation of this hardware, we need to send a message using a cell phone to the SIM which is inserted in the GSM module, and we have some particular pattern which is used for the security purpose, for which neither anyone cannot use this password. So now we will send a message to this GSM module and see how this circuit is working. We need to send a message from the mobile phone in a particular format. The message is being sent by the mobile phone to the GSM module, and some time the message will be received in the GSM module, and we will get acknowledgement from the GSM module. So here the street light is on. This is the output circuit. This is the input circuit. Here street light is on, and this can be seen in this LCD. That a control message received. This message received by the mobile phone. Okay, now when this street light is on, acknowledge message is sent back to the number from which it got the message, acknowledging that the street light is on. For the switch off, for doing switch off the light, we need to send another message in again a particular format, and again we will receive a acknowledge message that the street light is switched off. Here this is the acknowledge message that which contain AC switched on. Now again we will have to send another message for switching off this light. For switching off this light, the message is being sent by the mobile phone, and in some time the message will be received by the GSM module. Now we can see that the street light is now turned off, and another acknowledge message will be received to the mobile from which the message has been sent. So guys, this is about this project GSM controlling of the street light system. This is a very smart project by which we can save the electricity. Thank you.